I don't like to spend very much money on potting soil, so I often will make my own, but I did buy a couple of bags already to get some stuff started when we first got here. So what I'm going to do is stretch that potting soil. If you wanted to pot up blueberries or root blueberry cuttings, this right here, this rotten pine would be perfect for it. So you could stop at this stage and use this for potting soil, or if you have soil that's not particularly amenable to blueberries, you could take this rotten pine material and dig out a piece of the ground and fill it with this stuff and then plant your blueberry in it. This is perfect. You just got to go find some rotten pines. That is charged biochar right there. And now I'm going to throw in some of this Steve's mix. Micronutrients, that's a good bit there. And I found this ancient bag of potting soil out in the woods. Look at that. I'm just surprised to find a snake in it. Nope, potting soil. It's all full of tree roots. Wow. That's all roots. That's funny. Should run this through the sifter. That's ridiculous. This is finished compost. Secret sauce. Now for the fun part. We add our one expensive bag of potting mix. Basically stretch this thing to about 5 worth or something. I have to mix it up. Oh, this looks gonna be trouble. If somebody would like to mail me a cement mixer, I'll put my P.O. box below. And there we go, easy as pie. And that's how easy it is to stretch your potting soil to a huge amount. So much so that you probably don't even have to put potting soil in it to begin with. It's like stone soup, you know? So that's it, super simple. So I hope that was helpful to you. Be sure to like and subscribe and catch me on the web at thesurvivalgardener.com. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green.
I buried my rabbit beneath the cherry tree one fine afternoon. Someday I know that we'll meet again on a fruit salad spoon.
Do you throw banana peels in the trash? Are your coffee grounds also being thrown in the trash? Do you compost ham? Are you sick and tired of all the rules about composting? Do you wish you could compost in a super easy way? And stop throwing things in a landfill? And stop being a terrible person? Click on the link below and sign up and get my new composting booklet, which shows you how to compost easily and simply with hardly any work at all. It's insane how easy it is because it follows natural principles. Sign up now. Quantities are not limited.